I thank you so much, dear brother and sister, in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ, for your continued prayer and support during the time of recovering from the accident. I'm still well and alive by the grace of God, still involved in evangelism, discipleship, and church planting, working with the Bible School in Republic of Moldova. The same time, the Lord put in our hearts never to forget the widows and the orphans. We are so thankful because of you. We can make a difference. The same time, the Lord is blessing us to work among the unreached groups of Republic of Moldova and in Eastern Romania, here which are the Gypsy. They're the group which never been treated right. They're like the second-class people. But the Lord loves them, and we are very thankful to reach out to them. This summer, many people came to the Lord, being baptized, and the same time, new church being planted. We appreciate you for $5,000 for travel money. We love you, and God bless you.